Good morning, Mr. Abhay.
Good morning, Navi.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can you give me something that starts with pa?
Perfect. Perfect. Pineapple.
Pa for pineapple. What is a pineapple?
It's a fruit.
Very good job. You eat the fruit?
Yeah.
Is the fruit good for you?
Yeah.
Not yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Miss Navi.
Yes.
Very good. Give me something else that starts with pa.
It starts with pa.
What else starts with the pa sound?
Piano. Pa.
Very good. Pa for piano. What do you do with the piano?
We play music.
Excellent. We play music. Can you speak louder? I can't hear you.
We play music.
Excellent. Give me one more thing that starts with pa. Pa for
Piano and pen.
pen. Okay. Pa for pen. What do you do with the pen?
And
Give me good posture, please.
pen.
Pen. Very good. What do you do with the pen?
On the right.
Okay. Can you tell me the pa poem that we just learned?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'll do it all by myself.
Okay. Go ahead.
Pokey pineapple was a fruit sitting on a plate.
Along came
Porky,
Pinky the porky and
that was Porky's fate.
pa. Excellent job, Mr. Excuse me. Don't leave yet. Everybody say good job, Abhay. What do you say?
Thank you for
And take a bow.